Leading conversations towards shared goals begins with clarity of purpose. Before engaging, understand what you hope to achieve and why it matters. Being clear about intentions allows you to communicate with precision and avoid ambiguity. People respond to clarity because it provides a framework for understanding, decision-making, and action. Your confidence stems not from volume or assertiveness, but from the certainty and thoughtfulness behind your guidance. Listening carefully is as important as speaking. Conversations are not one-way transmissions. They are dynamic exchanges where understanding others' perspectives is essential. By listening attentively, you gain insight into priorities, concerns, and motivations. This knowledge allows you to frame dialogue in ways that resonate, building consensus without coercion. Quiet confidence manifests in the